In the previous video, we have seen how to use throws keyword to catch exceptions in Java. So this is completed. In this video, we will see how to use throw keyword. A throw keyword is used to explicitly throw an exception. That means if we want to intentionally throw an exception, then we will use throw keyword. Let's see an example on this one. I am creating a new class here. So this is the class and I am giving the name as throw example and I am using the main method. Okay. So first what I will do is I would like to verify if the age of an voter is greater than 18 or not. If it is less than 18, then we will throw an exception. So for that, I will create a separate method. So I'll say public static and the method doesn't return anything. So void and I'll say verify age and I have to pass an integer variable, the age of the person. So int age. And here I will verify the age. If age is less than 18. So if the age is less than 18, then I want to intentionally throw an exception and we have to catch that exception as well. So we'll say first we'll have to use try catch block. So in the try block, I will throw an exception. Throw new, I am using arithmetic exception and this exception can be a checked exception or an unchecked exception. So I am using an unchecked exception here. I am saying sorry, you are not allowed. And now I have to catch this exception. So I'll say catch block, catch. And whatever the exception I am passing it here, I am throwing here, I have to catch that exception here. So arithmetic exception E and I will print the exception message system.out.println of E. Okay, so this is how I can throw an exception intentionally using throw keyword. And I will write an else statement here. Else system.out.println welcome, you are allowed. Now in the public static void main, I will call this method verify age. So I will say verify age and I will pass, let's say I am passing age as 20, so which is greater than 18. So it has to print welcome, you are allowed. Let's run this one. Run as Java application and it is printing welcome, you are allowed. Now let's pass the age as 30 and run this one. Run as Java application and now you can see that it is printing sorry, you are not allowed. So this is the exception message it is printing. So this is where we are catching this exception. So the exception we are passing is sorry, you are not allowed and we are catching that exception here and we are printing that exception here. So it is printing sorry, you are not allowed. Now let's write some statement here and see if it is proceeding further or it is terminating there. It should proceed further. So I'll say system.out.println, I'll say hi. Okay, let's run this one. Run as Java application and you can see that after the exception message it is printing hi. So this way we can use throw keyword to intentionally or to explicitly throw an exception. So this is the way we can use a throw keyword. In this video we have seen how to use throw keyword to explicitly throw an exception. If you want to download the document for this one, you can go to my repository at github.com/subbustack and then go to Selenium-Java-tutorials and this particular document starts with numbering 24C and this is the document Selenium-exceptions-throw keyword and you can download this document. In the next video, we will see some interview questions on exceptions.